Hi everyone, today we're gonna do a slightly different grammar video. We're gonna focus mostly on shopping and grammar slash vocabulary that you need when you're shopping. So we're gonna focus on numbers, we're gonna focus on por, and we're gonna focus on how to ask how much something costs. So let's start by reviewing the numbers. If you remember last year in Elementary Spanish 1, we learned about the numbers. There are two videos that you can watch from Semillas 1. One is going to be about the numbers from 1 to 100, and we can see them here like as a review. So we have 1, 2, 3, you already know this, and then we have up until 20, they change a lot, so you have to really memorize them. Then 21, it's super simple, 21, 22, all together, and then after that they are separate. So you have 40, 50, 90, 100, and then you start doing ciento más number. So ciento más 3, 103, 130, 130. When we want to buy stuff, 100 might not be enough, so we need to have bigger numbers. And we can see here all the bigger numbers we can create in Spanish. We have 100, 101 as we said, 200, 500, 600, 700, 1000, 1001, and so on. Also remember that 500, 700, and 900 do not follow the same exact pattern, so you need to remember that. So when we want to ask the cost of something, we use the question word cuánto and the form of the verb costar. So we have cuesta with singular item and cuestan with plural item. This is an O to UE stem change verb, so it's irregular. You have to remember this. It's not costa, it's cuesta. Simple example, ¿cuánto cuesta el anillo? How much does the ring cost? Cuesta $35. If we want to ask about something that is plural, like the earrings, we would say, ¿cuánto cuestan los aretes? Los aretes cuestan $40. Now, there is another option to ask for the price of an object without naming the object. Let's say you are holding an object that is singular or plural, and this is super easy. You can say, ¿cuánto es? If you're holding a singular object, or you can say cuántos son if what you're asking the price for is multiple objects. And finally, we're going to learn about por with the verb pagar. We already learned that we can use the preposition por to talk about duration of time, routes, and means methods. You can also use por to mean in exchange for something. So if you're talking about how much you paid for something, money in exchange for an item, you can use pagar por. ¿Cuánto pagaste por la cartera, the wallet? Pagué $15 por la cartera. I paid $15 for the wallet. Oh, mi amiga solo pagó $10 por su bolso. And so you can see por la cartera, por su bolso. We use por.